Hi students, this is NEET 2018 question. I brought you a very best trick to find out the hybridization. This question is on hybridization. Which of the following molecules represents the order of hybridization sp to sp from left to right atoms? Now first let us see the formula. A trick. You have to find out the steric number. Sn means steric number is nothing but it is the sum of number of terminal atoms and localized lone pair. See, steric number we will find out for the central atom. For a given molecule, there can be one central atom or more than one central atom. These are organic compounds given in the options. So, in organic compounds, if more than one carbon are there, all of them are considered as central atoms, right? So now, steric number value, if this comes to be 2, then the hybridization will be sp. If this value comes to 3, then the hybridization will be sp2. If this Sn value, steric number value comes to be 4, then the hybridization will be sp3. Now let us see. First option, carbon is a central atom. Now how many terminal atoms it is surrounded by? Hydrogen and this carbon. These two are the terminal atom it is surrounded by. And you know that carbon make 4 bonds. When carbon make the 4 bonds, here 1 bond between CH and here 3 bonds, there are no lone pair of electrons left over. So lone pair of electrons are 0. So how many terminal atoms are there? Only 2. So what's the hybridization? sp. Now this carbon, 4 bonds it is making. How many terminal atoms it is surrounded by? 2 terminal atoms. So 2. What is the hybridization? sp. This carbon, it is surrounded by 2 terminal atoms. 4 bonds it is making. No localized lone pair. So sp. This carbon, 2 terminal atoms and no lone pairs. sp. So this is not your answer. Then this one, carbon is surrounded by 2 hydrogens and this carbon, total 3 atoms. Now 3 terminal atoms are there, 3. And how many lone pairs will be there? How many bonds carbon is making? 2 bonds here and 2 bonds here. So no lone pairs left over. Terminal atoms are 3. If terminal atoms are 3, what is the hybridization? sp2. This carbon, it is surrounded by 1 hydrogen and 2 carbons. These 2 carbons and this hydrogen, 3 terminal atoms and no lone pairs because it is making 4 bonds. So what's the hybridization? sp2. This carbon, it is surrounded by 2 atoms and 4 bonds it is making no lone pairs. So what's the hybridization? sp. This carbon is surrounded by 2 atoms, carbon and hydrogen, and 4 bonds it is making. What's the hybridization? sp. So sp2, this is the answer, right? Thank you.